Namaskar and good evening, friends. Today we will look at another premier private bank, Axis Bank Limited, with reference to its Q3 FY23 results. The management of Axis Bank consists of Amitabh Chaudhary, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. The Deputy Managing Director is Rajiv Anand. It has been performing reasonably well. We can say it is the second largest private bank in India, ICICI being the first. Many private banks are growing reasonably well, and of them Axis Bank also is one. Now let us look at the quarterly results, Q3 FY23 results. First, interest earned on 4 items. Interest bar discount on advances bar bills. Q3 17,669 crores. Q2 15,779 crores. Q3 of last year 13,049 crores. So every quarter Axis Bank is bettering its performance very nicely. Now year on year the improvement in interest on advances bar bills is 35.4%. Quite good. And quarter on quarter it is 11.98. Income on investments 4,607 crores in Q3, 4,486 crores in Q2, 3,781 crores in last year Q3. So this has grown by about 21.8% year on year and 2.71% quarter on quarter. The other two items are rather small items. We will go to other income. 5,241 crores in Q3, 4,476 crores in Q2, 4,438 crores in Q3 of last year. Other income has grown 18% year on year and 17% quarter on quarter. Now interest expended is 11,093.99 crores in Q3, 10,149.98 crores in Q2, 8,795 crores in Q3 of last year. So interest expended has also gone up by 26% year on year and 9.3% quarter on quarter. Operating profit 9,765 crores. 9,765 crores in Q3, 8,119.9 crores in Q2 and 6,664.7 crores in Q3 of last year. So operating profit has grown by 46.5% year on year and 20.26% quarter on quarter, which is very good. Provisions 1,445.6 crores in Q3, 547 crores in Q2, 1,363.35 in Q3 of last year. Here, Axis Bank has faltered a little. Provision should go on coming down, not up. It has actually gone up by 6.04% year on year and almost 164%. Last quarter it was very good, 547 crores only. Now 1,445.6 crores. So 164% up in provisions. Okay, let us go to net profit. Net profit 6,209 crores in Q3, 5,625 crores in Q2, 3,973 crores in Q3 of last year. 56.3% growth year on year, 10.38% growth quarter on quarter. As investors, we would like it to be 100%, but anyway, 56% is not at all bad. Now let us look at EPS. EPS is 20.13 in Q3, 18.27 in Q2, and 12.9 in Q3 of last year. Here also 56% growth year on year, 10% growth quarter on quarter. Now another thing important is NPA ratios. Gross NPA is 19,961 crores in Q3, and Q2 19,883 crores. There is no decrease actually in gross NPA. Same, of course, there is no sizable increase. In Q3 of last year, it was 23,301 crores. So compared to that, there is a reduction of minus 14.3% in gross NPA year on year. And quarter on quarter, there is a small increase of 0.34%. Net NPA, if you look at that, 3,830 crores. The net NPA has come down. 3,995.5 crores in the previous quarter, 6,513 crores in Q3 of last year. Net NPA has significantly come down. Actually, year on year, 41% reduction. Quarter on quarter also, there is a small reduction of 4.14. Percentage of gross NPA now is 2.38%. It is down from 2.5% from the previous quarter, and down again from 3.17 from Q3 of last year. So, year on year, percentage of gross NPA has come down by 24.9%, and quarter on quarter also it has come down by minus 4.8%. Now, percentage of net NPA, 0.47%, very, very attractive. Percentage of net NPA is a very attractive thing. It is less than half of 1%. 0.47% in Q3, 0.51% previous quarter, 0.91% Q3 of last year. So year on year reduction is minus 48.4%. Quarter on quarter reduction is minus 7.84%. So if you look at that, net profit has gone up reasonably well. Percentage of net NPA has come down wonderfully. So both are good. Brokerages are giving thumbs up. They are saying the share price should go up. Now the current price is 868.45. People are predicting 1,100, 1,400 like that. Let us see. Volumes are good, 95 lakhs, 67,000, which means buying and selling in this bank is very good. Price earning based on the latest EPS of 20.13, that into 4 we have to take for annual EPS. Current price is 869, so price earning ratio comes to 10.79. 52-week range is 618 low, 970 high. Now with this sort of performance, it could go to 1,000, 1,100, I mean whatever the brokerages say. It can match them. And the management is very good now. There are no controversies on the present management. The management is running the bank very well. Now, what are the strengths of this bank? Company with high trailing 12 months EPS growth, strong annual EPS growth, good quarterly growth in sales, that is interest and etc. also in recent results. Return on equity is improving for the last 2 years. Return on assets also is improving for the last 2 years. Net profit is growing quarter on quarter and year on year also. Not only net profit margin also has grown. Revenue has been growing for the last 4 quarters. Profits are growing for the last 2 quarters. Annual net profits are growing for the last 2 years. Book value has been improving for the last 2 years. Zero promoters pledge. You see, in public sector banks, zero promoter pledge is understandable. Government is not going to pledge its shareholding. But in a private bank like Axis Bank, here also zero promoter pledge to be appreciated. FIAs are increasing their shareholding. We have seen operating profit has grown, net profit has grown, NPS are coming down. So these are all positive points for Axis Bank. But company has got some debt. Mutual funds have decreased their shareholding the last quarter. ROA was increasing, ROE was increasing, ROCE is declining. Debt is increasing. Banks can use it very well. I think Axis has a tendency for that. They will take on debt at lower interest rate and they will try to get maximum advantage from that. Brokerages have upgraded their recommendations and target price in the past 3 months. Stocks performance has been mediocre in the recent past, but I think it will come up well in the time to come. The current price is about 10.47% away from 52-week high and 40.47% away from the 52-week low. Momentum of the price is mid-range. But in the last 1 month, price has been underperforming the Nifty 50. Stock is seeing large deals, 27 number of large deals in one single day. So financials are average, slightly above average. Industry comparison, if you look at that, market cap is high in industry. Price earning ratio is above industry median. Price to book ratio is high. PEG ratio is slightly low. Profit growth is below industry median. Profit growth, it has to focus a little more. Revenue growth is okay. Operating profit growth also is okay. Promoters have decreased their holding from 9.69% to 8.19% in the December quarter. Mutual funds also have decreased their holdings from 23.69 to 23.22. But FIIs and FPIs have increased their holding from 46.12% to 49.45%. Now, if you look at the price performance for the last 3 months, year to date, 1 year, 3 years, etc., it was never a multi-bagger in the last 3 years. But earlier it was, I remember. I also held Axis Bank for some time, maybe about 8 years back. Then it was a multi-bagger. Now it was not a multi-bagger in the last 3 years. Let us hope it will become a multi-bagger. The current management seems to be good, efficient, and catching on to opportunities very fast. So with this, we can look at Axis Bank with optimism in the days to come. But you should always be watching the 3 monthly results critically, as we have done just now. So, but see, if it fails continuously in 2-3 quarters, you must get rid of it. No sentiments towards any company. A company must perform for the investor. If the company doesn't perform well for 2-3 quarters, it goes. As simple as that. But right now, Axis Bank is performing reasonably well. It can improve. Thanks a lot. I'll be back with you with another good company or bank in the near future. Till then, good night.